you're in chains. And you're in chains too. I wear uniforms and you wear uniform too. I be Calabar. You be house at you.
You wear chains too. I wear a uniform. You wear uniform too. Wait, make I beat you that part when beat
No. Now violence against men be this, Maya. Why not they do this thing? Now violence against men be this.
You won't break my hand. Violence against women. Violence against women.
For that. No make me shout. I don't get a dick.
Ogolo, you did your body mood.
Yeah, I do my hair mood.
Yeah, Ogolo body. Yeah. Laugh, body, laugh.
Yeah.
All right,
so no can laugh the laugh. Where we could give us some pictures and videos of things that we could just make everybody mind calm down. You know, say we carry some kind not so okay news come this morning, but we need to be very, very real. We need to be very, very real because everything balance. When we talk good one, we talk bad one, just to make sure everybody get better information. All right, so we'll see some videos, see some pictures now. Make you just follow us, laugh the laugh.
Check it out.
Check it out.
The guys nowhere to be found. Then I hear peekaboo.
She said not. There he was. This one, Koboko flogged this one.
Koyemi.
No, Koyemi no.
I don't get.
Mayo,
they said I could be anything, so I became a balloon animal.
Incredible work. Incredible.
Me and this person, they wear the same size of something where I know if you talk.
Bruh. Waiting. You know if you talk, me if you talk am now. Okay, close chair. This guy now, show me some of you now.
You don't feel live down for the imagination of the people.
Of waiting. I don't leave anything for any imagination. You know, see the guy? In hand alone, are like 2 of our head.
Waiting. This wig when I wear so. Now the size of the guy, one muzzle. Well, this one you wear. Okay, before we finish, I will tell you something. Can you respect yourself? Can you respect yourself? And leave my head.
See, this is what happened for that place. I am going to say that.
Makeup artist. Makeup artist, I get warning for all of you.
Baby,
makeup explorer,
courage,
Lucy looks,
Sarah,
Maya looks,
Maya
Una plenty.
All of now they do makeup.
Why una they do this kind of thing? The Lord will ask you.
Seriously.
The Lord will ask you.
All of una.
You wake up, will see this kind of thing in the morning, you will take off.
What's happen? This one morning still good.
But you don't see some kind of makeup.
Some women make up the knack you like this. They give you head boot.
You get some, their makeup different from normal person.
Of course.
For the makeup, they're fine. If you see them normally without makeup, you go pass.
Some go rub makeup, they can't climb this in weight. They can't add another 20 kg join their this thing.
They can't robust.
Very nonsense something. Hey. Now split this guy do be waiting.
I'm gonna see waiting the right for down. See waiting the right for down.
Okay.
About a week ago. Thank you, Mr. DJ, for playing my song. Thank you. I've been waiting for long. Thank you.
So this is Mayowa. Oh. Now they tell the deceivers, okay, you are in trouble.
Una no carry out come out, we get break.
This time we don't go any break.
We get break.
You are a prisoner. You are a prisoner too, Sister Jailer. Look at you. You are the jailer now. That's not the deceiver.
What happened? I'm a fine girl. What happened? It doesn't matter.
See your girl.
Leave it like that.
See your girl.
There is no fine girl in this way. I've not forgot.
Maya, you can't blame all those women the way.
But I'm not your mate.
For early morning.
I'm not your mate. I'm not your mate. What happened? What happened?
Hey.
Yes.
So you don't prepare, come?
Yes.
So this thing
because
now.
I know what you
now this thing all those anti them
because
for nights
I
when they
know
go set their body
you see it. Because I know what you feel do, Ogbolo. I'm aware of your capability. You think you can embarrass me on national TV? Hello, I'm a star. I'm on starter. I'm on starter. Wazobia TV 195. You are here at Wazobia Padi. Go on our Twitter. What's wrong with you?
So what do they feel like now?
They feel like person will just wither the storm.
Without which storm? This is what they do now. Night club people they do. They go to sell market for inside this thing for night. You know, that's one place carry this look. Enter another place carry another look. Look at you. I beg, make we just take this break sharply, Jare, before we come back, do every.
About a week ago.
Mona Jamos for Twitter at Wazobia Padi. At Wazobia.
About a week ago, killer goats.
Behave yourself. Don't enter my shot now. What's wrong to you?
Killer goats. I pay you, killer goats. Killer goats.
Kill a cow. All right,
so we get word of the day for now. We go just give una kwakwa the word of the day. Okay, the word of the day today now, no shaking. Based on what you just
this now, no, see, not be word of the day.
No
this one na sentence of the day now.
Forget.
Now sentence of the day now.
No shaking.
Word supposed to be one word.
No shaking, no
now
put
one
space.
word is supposed to be.
No put space in between. Join everything together.
No shaking, one word.
No shaking.
No shaking.
One word.
Hashtag no shaking.
Hashtag no shaking.
So Mona run go ask Wazobia Padi. Mona jam us for them. Mona, you know, tell us the word for the day. Mo see how every go take go. But please, quickly, I need to talk. Say this week, won't give a gist of different things we go do this week.
Yeah.
As it be this week now. Now they see different the character we will do. You understand me now?
We feel even we are gay. We feel we are uncle come anyone.
Yes.
You know with Padi. We've got your back, baby. We've got your back, baby. Oh, I can feel it.
All right, we go soon now. Tomorrow, exactly the same time, 11:30 a.m.